loaded up, ready to go. Got the trailer all loaded, hooked up to the truck. Heading to go get grains. Gotta go get a ton of chicken feed. Gotta feed these chickens that we have and all the ones that we're getting. So heading up to Woods right now, which is a local grain company up here. And be heading back with some grains on the back. Oh yeah, heading out. And we're back. Got our grains all ready. Got them on the trailer here. Boys doing their bucket brigade. That's a ton of chicken feed. And that's getting bucketed in one by one into these. Man, I think we're gonna need more buckets. Holy cow. Okay. You guys have only scratched the surface. You've already filled 2 of them.
I've filled 2 of them.
You filled it. Bailey didn't do anything?
Bailey's like on his 5th scoop.
Just standing around looking pretty. Kind of like Dad right now. Not doing anything. So, looks like we'll have to grab a few more barrels. We've got 2 more over here. So yeah, there we go. Feed our chickens all non-GMO, organic. Nice little tag right here. Oh. If you guys can see that. Some good stuff. Layer feed. So, got some friends showed up, brought their trailer. They're getting settled in right now. Get some work done. Yeah, look at that stuff. Be some happy chickens. Happy squirrels too. Alright.
You're supposed to be a good enough editor where I can say stuff like that and it don't matter.
Oh, because I can just edit you out?
Yeah.
Like I can edit you out of my life.
Like you did Bailey.
Yep. Bailey who? So, we're just unloading the grains. Mike is a jerk. Thinks he's funny. But there's a ton of grains at one sack. That is 1 ton. We've already filled 2 of these barrels. Got 1 more to go. I think we got more than 1 more to go. Yeah. We're running out of barrels. We'll have to go get some more out of here. Got a few over here that are not quite the same type, but they'll work. Yeah, well the Bahamas are. They're just ridiculous.